children, welcome to your EVS class. Dear students, in your today's class, I am going to teach you lesson 12, our school, given in page number 20 of your EVS book. Here, in page number 20 of your EVS book, you can see that the topic is our school. Children, what do you know about school? What do you know about school? Have you ever heard about the term school? Yes, we all go to school. We all go to school. So, what is a school? A school is a place where we have fun, play, and we learn together. A school is a place where we have fun and we play and learn together. And we all go to school. We learn many things. Here you can see in your book that we learn many things in school. We learn to read, write in school. We also learn good habits in school. Yes, children. It is said that school is the temple of learning. School is a temple of learning. And we all learn many things in school, such as how to read a book. Here if I am reading a book, all of us go to school. All this reading, your teacher teaches you how to read. We all learn to read in school. We all learn to write in school. And we learn many good habits also in school. Our school helps us to learn many things. What are the things that we learn in the school? Let us see your book, children. Here you can see that this work you have to do in your book. Name of your school. Children, in this area you have to write name of your school. What is the name of your school? The Pentecostal Assembly School. You will write the Pentecostal Assembly School. Here you can also see that on the board I have written the name of the school, the Pentecostal Assembly School. So you have to write the name of your school in this area. Next one, name of your principal. Yes, children, what is the name of your principal? You all know that the name of our principal is Dr. Karuna Prasad. So, in this area, you will write Dr. Karuna Prasad. Now, the next question given in your book is name of your class teacher. In this area, you have to write the name of your class teacher. If you are reading in class Prep A, you will write Bharti Bhatti Miss. And if you are reading in Prep B, you will write Mamta Acharya Miss. And if you are in Prep C, then you will write the name of your class teacher Beena Bharti, Miss Beena Bharti. Now, come to this portion. Tell what you do at school. Children, we do many things in school. We learn many things in school, such as apart from reading, writing, learning and learning good habits, we also do many things in school, such as playing. Yes, children, we all play football, basketball, volleyball, cricket, kabaddi, kho-kho and many games in our school playground. Our sports teacher, our PT teacher teaches us all these games and we play these games in the playground. We also learn dancing. We also learn dancing in school. We also learn drawing, painting in school, children. So, apart from studies, we do many things in our school. Do you know, children, that there are 6 paths of of our school. There are 6 parts of our school. You can see all the 6 parts given in page number 21. In page number 21 of your EVS book, you can see that a school building has many parts. Just have a look. Yes, children, a school building has many parts. You have to know about 6 parts. You have to know about 6 parts in this chapter. In this lesson, you have to read about 6 lessons. What are those parts? I am going to read their name. The first one is staff room. Staff room. Here in page number 21, you can see the picture of staff room in your book. Next one is classroom. Yes, children. This is the place where your teacher teaches you. Third one is principal's room. Principal's room. And the fourth one is playground. Playground. It is the favorite place of all the students. It is the favorite place of all the students, children. I know. Yes, now the next one is infirmary. 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 And last but not the least, library. Yes, children. Library is also one of the most important part of our school building. Do you know what is staff room? Children, what do you mean by staff room? Staff room is a place you will find in the school where your teacher do their work. Staff room is a place where all the teachers sit together and do their work. So, staff room is a place where all teachers sit together and do their work. Next one is classroom. Yes, children. It is the most important part of the school building because the teachers as well as the students spend most of their time in this room only, in this part of your school building. Classroom. Because in classroom we all learn how to read, write, and we all sit in classroom. All of the students sit in classroom and study. Your teacher teaches you in classroom. Next is principal's room. Yes, children. It is also one of the most important part of your school building. Who is the head of the school? You know? No? Yes, our principal. The principal is the head of our school, children. So, the place where your school principal sits and do their work is called as principal room. Next is playground. Yes, children. The most important and the favorite place of all the students. Yes, that is playground. You all love to play. Yes, we all love to play. Not only the students, but the elder people also love to play. We love to play different games. Different outdoor games were played in playgrounds such as cricket, basketball, volleyball, kabaddi, kho-kho, and etc. We play different types of game in playground. It is also a part of our school building. Next is infirmary. infirmary. Infirmary is also called as sick room. When some student or teacher suddenly feels bad, suddenly falls sick, they are kept in infirmary. They can take rest in infirmary. That is why infirmary is also called as sick room. In our general terms, we call infirmary as sick room. When you will fall sick, suddenly you will take rest in this room. Last but not the least is library. It is the most important part of our school building, children, because here you can find different varieties of books kept in library. Not only books but novels, comics and other study related material you can find in library. So it is the most important part of our school building. Now, who are our helpers in our school? Let us know about them. Many people help us in the school. Yes, children. School is an organization. School is an educational organization, and there you will find many people who helps us. Who are the people who helps us in school? They are, yes, you have to fill in the blanks to know about them. The first picture you can see is the principal desk. Here you can see that there is a signboard also kept there. Principal, Principal. What is the spelling of principal? Principal. Yes, children. Who is principal? Principal is the head of our school. Principal is the head of every school, who manages all the things, how the study is going on, and do all the necessary important decisions related to studies. So, the head of the school is principal. Now, next is, yes, you can see that there is a green board. In the picture you can see that there is a green board just like this. And who am I? I am your teacher. So here you can see that there is a picture of teacher with a chalk and a book in her hand, just like me. So teacher also helps you in the school. How does the teacher help you? Yes, teacher teaches you different things such as how to read, write, dance, draw, and he also teaches you all the good habits. So a teacher teaches you in the classroom. Next is, who's this? You can see the picture, children. Yes, he is a peon. He is a peon. How does a peon help us? A peon helps us in ringing the school bell. In ringing the school bell in different times, at the time of assembly, at the time of lunch, at the time of end of every period, and at the time of departure. Yes, peon rings bell in the school. So this way peon helps us. And what is the function and what is the spelling of peon? It's P-E-O-N. Next is, you can see that a signboard is kept there, librarian. Yes, children, you can find a librarian in library. How does the librarian help us? A librarian helps us by keeping records of all the books, comics and novels and all the necessary things that we find in library. So, a librarian keeps record of all the necessary things that we can find in library. Next is, you can see the picture. Who is he? God. Yes, children. What is the spelling of God? G-U-A-R-D. So you will fill here G and here D. God. How does a God help us? A God takes care of our school. A God takes care of our school. In this way, He helps us. Now, turn to page number 22. Children, here you can see in page number 22, there is a picture of the classroom. Here, let us read about it. We study in the classroom. Yes, just now I have told you, children, where do we all study? We all study in classroom. Our teacher teaches us in the classroom. Yes, our teacher, just like me, I am your teacher, where I am standing in the classroom and I am teaching you. So, classroom, it is an important part of our school building where your teacher teaches us, just like me. There are many things in the classroom, children. Read aloud the name of the things found in the classroom. Here, in the picture, you can see that there are many things such as notice board. Yes, children, I do also have a notice board. You can see that this is a notice board. We can see a notice board in the classroom. Yes, we can also find a chalk box in the classroom and different kinds of and colors of chalk also. So, what are the things that you will find in the classroom? A notice board, chalk, duster, green board, chair, desk, teacher's table, chart, desk, benches, books. Yes, children, you can find books also in the classroom. Cupboards, windows and doors. So, all these things, children, you will find in the classroom. Let's revise about the things that we can find in the classroom. We can find chalk, duster, notice board, black or green board, chair, duster, chair, desk, benches, window, door, books, and so many things. So, these are the things that you will find in the classroom. So, this is all about our school children. I hope that you have understood this chapter, this lesson very well, and you will read this lesson at your home too. And children, I hope after reading this lesson, you will watch this video and you will also do the worksheet given in your copy. Okay, children. Till then, keep learning and do take very good care of yourself. Thank you.